Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel Scale Up. In this quick tutorial, I will show you how you can rewind or fast forward your TikTok videos that you are watching right now. So I will show you how you can do it by the easy steps. Open up your TikTok app and you will pop up on the home page, and you have to simply scroll down until you see the video that you wanna fast forward or rewind. So you have to do is click on the press on hold on the right side. If you want to fast forward this like this, you have to simply hold, and you have to simply do is, if you want to lock this, you have to simply pull down, and it's gonna be locked on fast forward speed about 2x. So you can see over here, if you want to unlock this, you have to simply press on that and again pull down, and then it's gonna be unlock and comes in normal speed. If you want to rewind, you have to simply hold on the left side. So as you can see, there's gonna be rewind. So that's how you can rewind your videos that you are watching on TikTok. It's super easy. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like my video, subscribe my channel Scale Up, and also drop me a comment for more tips and tricks videos. Or also you can do is you can see over here at the timeline at the bottom, you will see you have to simply do is, for rewind, you can simply drag it to the top or tag it to the start menu like that. You can as well do this step as well. So thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Have a nice day. Bye bye.